Hi, I'm John McLemore here to tell you all about the Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker. You'll achieve competition-ready results in your own backyard without the hassle of propane or charcoal. This smoker is fully insulated, allowing you to enjoy smoked food year-round, even in those cold months. It has an adjustable door latch and 4 smoking racks with a bend in the back to stabilize the rack when checking your recipes. The internal meat probe monitors the temperature of your meat for perfect juicy results every time. The patented wood tube allows you to add wood chips without ever opening the smoker door. There's no need for special pucks or pellets. Just add 1 small handful of your favorite wood chips. You have a water bowl great for adding moisture and flavor and catching excess grease drippings. The wood chip tray holds the ash. We have a bottom drip pan for catching excess drippings that will flow into the bottom grease tray. Located on the top, we have a stainless steel air damper which controls the amount of smoke for flavor and moisture. The remote control makes it simple to turn the smoker on, set the temperature and time, and monitor the internal temperature of your meat. Masterbuilt has made smoking simple.
This vertical charcoal offset smoker from Dyna-Glo offers quality, performance, and versatility with up to 5 cubic feet of cooking space. This model features an offset smoker box, which is designed to keep direct heat away from the food, an adjustable smokestack, and side damper that work together to improve the airflow and transfer of even heat and smoke into the primary cooking chamber, and 6 adjustable cooking grates that can be raised or lowered to accommodate up to 25 pounds of food per grate. This smoker is designed with a unique charcoal and ash management system that includes a removable ash pan, charcoal grate, and enameled steel charcoal chamber. The chamber improves the burn efficiency of the briquettes by keeping them packed tightly together on the charcoal grate. Raised edges on the grate keep the chamber in place when it is pulled out from the smoker box. Ashes from charcoal and wood are collected in a high-capacity ash tray. The tray is removable for convenient disposal of ashes before and after use. This smoker is made for ease of use with quick-release door latches for easy access, an easy-to-read temperature gauge with smoke zone to indicate the ideal temperatures for infusing smoke flavor. In addition to being easy to use, this smoker is also stylish with a powder coat black finish, beveled primary and offset doors, and chrome-plated wire handles. So take your grilling to the next level with the Dyna-Glo Charcoal Offset Smoker.
Hi everyone, I'm Kevin Coleman, Weber's grilling expert. I am extremely excited today because we're going to be discussing how to smoke on Weber's Smoky Mountain Cooker Smoker. It's designed to cook at low temperatures from 225 degrees to 250, and that's because of its unique shape and design. The charcoal burns in the bottom section. Water sits in the pan in the middle section, preventing any fat from dripping onto the coals, and more importantly, keeping the temperature nice and low. Your food sits on 1 or 2 racks in the middle section. The top section is the lid, which includes a vent and a thermometer. We've shown you the main components of our smoker. Now we're going to show you how to set it up. Lay the charcoal grate in the bottom section and set the charcoal ring on top of the grate. Fill the chimney starter to the top with charcoal and pour the unlit charcoal into the ring, spreading it out evenly. Now, if you are using a 22.5-inch diameter smoker, fill the charcoal starter with charcoal again and light the charcoal in a completely safe and reliable way. If you are using an 18-inch diameter smoker, fill the chimney starter only halfway with the charcoal and light it safely. Now here's a couple tips I can give you. If you're using charcoal briquettes, make sure they have ash over them. And if you're using lump charcoal, make sure the sides are lit. Then carefully, using 2 barbecue mitts, take the lit charcoal and pour that on top of the unlit charcoal. You need to make sure that you spread it out evenly. Over time, the unlit charcoal will burn and extend the life of the fire. Now we're going to put our Weber Smoky Mountain Cooker Smoker together. Just make sure that the water pan is completely empty and suspended in the midsection. Now immediately you need to add water to the water pan. and you want to do this before it gets hot. It needs to be at least halfway to 3/4 of the way full. Next, set the 2 cooking grates in place inside the middle section. Now place the lid on top. A water smoker has vents on the bottom section and one in the lid. At this point, open the top vent completely and close the bottom vents halfway. Wait until the smoker reaches its ideal temperature range of 225 to 250 degrees. Now we're going to open the charcoal access door and add our wood chunks. Just make sure you use your barbecue tongs and a mitt. You also want to follow the recipe to make sure you're using the correct wood and the amount. Close the charcoal access door and wait a few minutes for the smoke to stream out of the vent located on the lid. Now when your smoker reaches the ideal temperature, you're going to take the lid off and you're going to put your food onto the cooking grates. You want to start with the bottom and work your way to the top. But remember, the food on the top will drip down to the food on the bottom. Put the lid on the smoker. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes to see if the temperature returns to the ideal range, 225 to 250 degrees. Often the food will bring down the temperature inside the smoker. If the temperature is too low, open the bottom vents a bit more. If the temperature is too high, close the top vent as much as halfway, but never close the top vent all the way.
If you love authentic barbecue, complete with the smoky smell and fall-off-the-bone tenderness, but think that making it yourself is a challenge, you need to get to know the new digital smokers from Char-Broil. We've been innovating outdoor cooking for over 65 years and have learned about the features you need to barbecue with confidence. Smarter smoking. Get peace of mind and watering of mouth, knowing that your food is perfectly cooked with our removable and washable temperature probe. Set and forget. Our electric element provides consistent heat, while the generously sized wood chip box lets you load once for up to 6 hours of smoke. Spend more time with the guests and less with the smoker. Intuitive controls. We've designed digital controls you'll understand instantly. Plus, they'll alert you when your food is done and keep it warm until you're ready to eat. Functional interior. All the thoughtful details inside make cooking carefree and easy. Configure the grates for whatever you're cooking in seconds, and cleaning up is a snap with our side access grease tray. There are 2 options to pick from, both with the same great features. The deluxe model has a window door and light, and a remote control so you get an even better idea of how it's going. The new Char-Broil digital smokers are smart and easy additions to anyone's outdoor cooking arsenal.
This vertical LP gas smoker from Dyna-Glo offers quality, performance, and versatility, with up to 1,235 total square inches of cooking space, and dual cast iron burners providing 20,000 total BTUs. This wide-body smoker features a push-button electronic ignition that emits a rapid pulse for quick and easy lighting, and pre-installed upper and lower door seals that minimize heat and smoke loss. The smoker body has 4 adjustable cooking grates that can be raised or lowered to accommodate a wide range of food types and sizes, and a high-capacity water bowl and wood chip box made with heavy-gauge enameled steel for durability and low-maintenance cooking. The smoker also offers versatility, with pre-installed sausage hooks and removable chrome-plated rib rack for a variety of cooking options, and a stainless temperature gauge with a smoke zone indicator to achieve the ideal temperature for infusing that smoky flavor.